First, we'll need to prepare the enchilada sauce. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of chili powder, cooking for a minute. Next, add in half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano, and paprika. Cook this mixture for another minute before gradually whisking in 2 cups of chicken or beef broth until it is smooth. Bring this to a simmer and let it cook until the sauce thickens. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's move on to the beef enchilada casserole. In a skillet, brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium heat until there's no pink left. Add in a chopped onion, bell pepper, and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Cook this until the vegetables soften, which should take about 5 minutes. Stir in a can of black beans and corn, then remove it from the heat. To assemble the casserole, spread a thin layer of the enchilada sauce at the bottom of the crock pot. Layer it with corn tortillas, overlapping as needed to cover the bottom. Then, spoon half of the beef mixture over the tortillas, drizzle with enchilada sauce, and sprinkle with shredded cheese. Repeat these layers with the remaining tortillas, beef mixture, enchilada sauce, and cheese, reserving some cheese for topping. Cover the crock pot and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or on high for 2 to 3 hours until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once cooked, serve the beef enchilada casserole hot, garnishing with optional toppings such as chopped cilantro, sour cream, diced tomatoes, or sliced green onions. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.